we can do with a little wheel. How we can do it. And how many do not have the little wheel? Do not have the little wheel. And now they could have the little wheel. And with that little wheel, I can drive a smoke off a fan, and they can make the sounds of chuff off a digital board. They could be a real train, a real steam engine. Yes, they could. And one day, all these poor guys will grow up and be real steam engines. Right here, just like that. You'll see. Alright, next. Now for my next magical trick. Oh yeah, you don't want to put two DC magnetic fields together because then they become engaged. Okay. Now this, you know, is a northern. And the northerns had at one point a big motor. And this one had a big motor. And I took the big motor armature and I made a double wide DC magnetic field set. That's what I did. And it's pulling less than 2 amps. Now, as you can see, I had another controller in here, and if you get up to 17 amps, 3.4, 3.3, I was hitting the ceiling on my other control board. So Dan is making 5 amp control boards now, which should help if we find more armatures, or if we find a way to make more armatures, then we will. Oh yeah, we're just having all kinds of fun. That poor thing, he's gonna get his bits cut off. It's like an old goat sheep. But we're gonna put some bits back on. Been watching too much public TV. So this is a northern with a big armature. It will fly till the wires come off. That's probably saving me. Nah, he's not hot. He's warm, but he's not hot. Okay, well, that's the show. There's a lot more going on, but I'm not ready for it yet. We're preparing the perf board assembly area. We're going to be converting this board prototype back to some kind of a single board for test on an engine, instead of just, it's like all your organs on a table. We're going to put them back together some fashion. And we have the cleaning services in today, and she is not letting me go. She is just making me crazy. Very funny, dear. Touching all my stuff. Very funny, dear. Oh God,
plugged a bunch of your wires.
I noticed.
Like
That's
the rat's nest.
yeah. Well, I just
To get
you said
organized.
clear the deck, and I did. Okay.
Yes, no, that was the right thing.
Follow
to do.
instructions. If she's not happy, I guarantee you nobody else is gonna be happy. All right, more to come. Oh, there was a box today. I'm not gonna open it till later, though. I know what's in it. You'll have to wait. Okay, that's it. Very little playtime, other than I did get to engineer this part. That's our third iteration, and it still needs tweaking, but it proves to me we're very close, and it can be done, and it's going to be a lot of fun. I can come up with another piece off of here that hangs the sensors and stuff. It's going to be fine. It's going to be just fine. Like that one. Maybe better. Maybe better than that one. Okay. Later. That's it. I'm tired now.